We are officially getting into the colder months of the year, so I decided I needed a little wardrobe refresh. I have a few pieces in my closet that I like to whip out during the winter time, but I was also thinking, why not buy some extra stuff and make some cute outfits out of it? So today we're going to be building 5 different fall/winter outfits with stuff that I already own and also with brand new pieces. But first things first, we need inspiration. But where are we going to go for inspiration, you ask? Well, Pinterest, of course. I made a Pinterest board with different outfit inspirations, so we're going to be using that to curate our looks for today. And this is your reminder to subscribe because it helps me out so much. And if you have any video ideas you want to see from me, just pop it in the comments. Okay, besties, let's hop on Pinterest. I've got my laptop. I am going to show you guys everything that I put on my Pinterest board. And also, to set the vibes right, I served myself apple cider in a nice pink wine glass. And I'm not going to lie to you, this is my second one of the day, but it's just so cozy. And what other time am I going to be drinking apple cider? You know what I mean? So I made this board and I just called it fall/winter outfits. I wanted the vibes to be very like somewhat early 2000s, kind of city girl lifestyle, but also just a little bit grungy. I love these kinds of scarves. I just think they're so cool. I really like the stripes and just like the funkiness of it. I'm also really loving off-shoulder tops recently, and I also think the off-shoulder top with the baggy jean combo is so adorable. The fact that she's wearing flip-flops though is like severely confusing me. I'm also really into these big bomber jackets. I've never had one before. I've only ever had like leather jackets and stuff like that. And the combo with the micro scarf is everything to me. I feel like it's a very unique thing to add to your outfit, even though it's kind of useless, but I don't care. I just love this kind of like grungier, almost kind of silly style. Like this little UK t-shirt is so funny. I just love how eccentric it is. I also really like this outfit inspiration. I feel like the brown leather and just like all the brown accents are super fall. And I've been wanting a long jean skirt for so long. Again, micro scarves, they're everywhere. Like I love them so much. This one's like a little sequin one, which I did see they have on Amazon, but I figured it was probably gonna be itchy. And all of these outfits are super like early 2000s coded, very much Bella Swan, Elena Gilbert. I'm really liking that vibe. This one especially I think is my favorite. I just love the skinny low waist jeans and like the grays, the dark blues. This isn't an outfit that I would have worn in any period of my life, but now that I'm older, I feel much more confident in myself, in my body, and I feel comfortable wearing these kinds of clothes, so obviously I'm gonna take advantage. I just think the stripes are also really pretty. I think I need to get some kind of tank top like this. Now that we went through the Pinterest board, let me show you guys all the outfits I put together. I wanted to curate different styles and like just different genres of outfits for the fall and winter season, because I feel like my style is kind of all over the place, and it's nice to dress up in different aesthetics and just like feel what I want for the day. I am gonna start with one of my favorite looks, and this is kind of like a Rockstar girlfriend grungy look. This is absolutely something that I would wear multiple times a week. I feel like this is more so a transitioning from summer to fall outfit because there's not a lot to cover up from the cold. But if it's a little bit chilly, I think this is perfect, and it still looks super cool. I love a good graphic t-shirt, and this cat top I got from Amazon, and I paired it with my leather jacket and these black kind of gray wash skinny jeans by the brand Mother. I absolutely love this brand. These are the only pairs of jeans that I own from them, but I really want to buy more. They are so flattering, and I just feel like they're kind of underrated right now. I also paired it with these necklaces that I got from Amazon. I just love a good piece of chunky jewelry. I feel like the red and the silver really go well with this outfit, and it's just like very fall colors. And I paired this with my Chelsea boots that are honestly so old, and I probably should get rid of them, but I just really love them. These Chelsea boots are by Madden Girl. I love Steve Madden. I feel like most of my shoes are by Steve Madden, and I just think they make the perfect shoe. They always have like a little bit of edgy flair to it, which is what I really love, and I really like this outfit. I feel like if you don't do the leather jacket, you can just do some kind of coat on top, and then wherever you're going, you take off your coat and you have a super cute outfit underneath. It also just feels very simple, like you don't really have to layer too many things. I think a cute skinny jean with a graphic top is really nice. I also feel like a graphic tee is a very good way to like start conversations, and I know this is just like a picture of a cat, but that could always spark a conversation. And like, for example, I wear my Twilight shirt a lot, and that definitely sparked conversation, and it's kind of like a little hack into meeting new people. This next outfit is my city girl look. I wanted this to be a little bit more dressed up and a little bit more out of my comfort zone. I have this brown leather trench coat that is so warm. I feel like this trench coat is just super chic, and I wanted to try something a little bit different. This is definitely a little bit more on like the fashionista side, you could say. I would definitely wear this with tights, but I don't have any, so I just have a black long sleeve top with a little black mini skirt. I also paired it with my black belt that has little silver buckle. I feel like having a belt in an outfit like this just kind of separates the distinction that you are wearing a top top and a skirt and just adds a little extra something. And I got this little striped micro scarf from Amazon. It was slightly itchy, so I don't think I'll keep it, but I really like the colors and I feel like it adds something fun to the outfit. What makes the entire outfit for me though is the shoes. I don't know where these shoes are from because they were my mom's, but they're kind of a mix of like a cowboy boot with a really cute heel. Like, these shoes make me think of the song "These Boots Were Made for Walkin'." That's the vibe that they're giving me. I really love fingerless gloves. I feel like they're very chic and they're just very easy to maneuver in. Overall, I feel like this is something I would wear if I just tweaked it a little bit more, but it was nice to do something new and out of my comfort zone. This next outfit is my early 2000s inspired outfit. This vibe is just so Bella Swan coded and I love everything about it. I definitely will be wearing this more often. This is another one of those outfits that's kind of like a summer to fall transition look, so perfect for when it's a little bit chilly but not too cold. This long sleeve top I got on Amazon, but it very much looks like an Aeropostale long sleeve. I love the navy blue, I love the white stitching and the little buttons going upwards. And I paired these with the same fingerless gloves, but I put them inside out so it has like a dark purple color. And my low-rise skinny jeans are by Tommy Hilfiger. They have like a slight flare at the bottom, which I really like, and I do love how low-waisted they are. They don't feel tight at all. They're very stretchy, very movable, and that's really important to me because there's nothing worse than wearing a pair of skinny jeans and you feel like you're going to explode. How are you supposed to feel confident if you feel like you're going to blow up? I also paired these with my low top Converse. These are actually slip-on shoes and they're a kid size, so they don't like fully tie up, but they are so cute, and I feel like this completely makes the outfit the early 2000s vibe that we all want. Honestly, this is one of my favorite outfits that I put together, and it's very casual, but I also feel like the girls that get it, you know what I mean? For my next outfit, I wanted to do a simple kind of clean girl aesthetic, so we kept it very minimal. This one is definitely very much like Hailey Bieber inspired and just those kind of it girls. Super simple, neutral colors, kind of like champagne and brown tones. I have this off-shoulder brown top that is from Amazon, and these low-waisted kind of baggy ripped jeans. I do really like this top. As I told you, I love an off-shoulder. Showing that little bit of skin just makes it so much more interesting. And it has this kind of like jagged edge towards the bottom, which I really like. And because of that long piece of fabric, I think something low-waisted, whether it's a jean or a skirt, makes the outfit complete. And my jeans are by the Lucky brand. I wear these jeans so much and I love them so much. They are super comfortable. I love the rips in them and I love that they're baggy, but they also kind of flare out. They've lasted me, I think, like 6 or 7 years now, so I highly recommend these. And I also just paired it with my Adidas. These are the first pair of Adidas that I've ever had, and these shoes are very trendy with all the it girls, so I had to pair it. And I feel like the gold streaks in this shoe are very complimentary to the shirt. Overall, I feel like I really harnessed that like basic, simple vibe. Like, it's low-key serving. It's not one of my favorite outfits, but it's definitely something I would work with and just add my own little flair to. And the last outfit that I put together is a streetwear look. You know what, guys? People throw the term streetwear here and there. Who knows what it actually means? I mean, I'm sure you could find out, but I'm really too lazy to Google it right now. But when I think of streetwear, I think of baggy clothes, casual, a lot of jean. So for this look, I decided to go with the bomber jacket that I found on Amazon. I just wanted this vibe to be super chill, something that you could just kind of throw on and leave the house. Baggy clothes are trending all over again, so I wanted to do the baggy jean and baggy top combo. I do really like this bomber jacket. It's a beautiful color and it's also pretty warm. And I paired it with this black top that I thrifted that's just kind of like a baby doll top, and it has a super cute little black bow. I also thrifted these jeans, but they are by the brand BDG from Urban Outfitters. These jeans are originally $60 and I got them for $10. That is a story for another day. But I absolutely love these jeans. I love how baggy they are. I feel like they really suit me. I also decided to add the little pink earmuffs because I feel like that gives it more of a winter vibe, and I love these earmuffs so much. I got them like in Chinatown in New York and they were probably 10 bucks. You can find earmuffs anywhere. I feel like earmuffs are one of those accessories that can really tell so much about you and your personality. These are the only ones I own, but I've seen so many cute ones that are like in the shape of stars, hearts, or like Miffy earmuffs. Like, I want one so bad. But anyway, I also pair this outfit with my Chelsea boots. I wear my Chelsea boots like it's nobody's business. Like, I wear them so often, which is probably why they're so beat up. But I just think a Chelsea boot is such a simple staple shoe to have, and it goes with pretty much any outfit. So those are the 5 outfits that I built for this fall/winter season. I absolutely love that early 2000s long sleeve that I got. I feel like I'm going to be using that a lot. And make sure to comment what your favorite outfit was. This season, I definitely want to make the most use out of everything I have in my closet and just try to piece things together in a way that I haven't before. Make sure I'm not feeling bored with my outfits and like finding inspiration on Pinterest, TikTok, whatever it is. This is your reminder to enjoy the cold weather. I know it can be hard, especially if you live somewhere up north where it's snowing like all year, but do your best to romanticize it and get a cute coat, get a nice scarf, and live your best life. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I am liking making more of these like shopping and fashion videos. So if there's anything else specific that you want to see, please leave a comment. And of course, make sure to subscribe to see even more videos. And I'll see you guys next week.